Saturday morning and we're doing pink. And we're doing pink at a price everyone can afford, so everyone can go pink. $12.99. These are cotton polys. They are stretch in both directions. They are actually all UV protection. They're beautiful. Pink is all the way through the fall, you guys. It's going to be here for a while, so this is a perfect time to go pink. They all have stretch in both directions. Let me just show them to you. They're just fun. Is this adorable? Look at this. It's so cute. It's like little, it's a floral, but it's such a mini little floral, it doesn't look like a floral. Great drape. Look at the drape on this. The drape is incredible. It's amazing. This is a wild pink. You know, the pink is now hot pink, the purple, the blue. It's fabulous. Got, again, great drape. Stretch in both directions. And this is a little mini floral. We don't have much of this left. It's adorable. Look at that. And all of these are just, they're so soft. There's like a suede-y feel to them. I don't know. I know that's not. I think they're called a brushed. And this is very nice. Stretch in both directions. Great drape. It doesn't matter what you make. You'll love it. Love this. See, also this brush. I don't know. They just seem to, they're really nice, you guys. All right, so this is like a swirl. The black, the white, the pink, two pinks. This is a dual pink. How about that? And then I love this. Love this. Love the prints on here. Is that great? Blue, pink, there's yellow in there, so if you want to get your yellow in, yellow is showing you how current the fabric is. Again, stretch in both directions. Great drape. They're all just really, really awesome. Great way to make a little knit wardrobe. Cute little dresses, tops. You see it? Even leggings. I think they would be just adorable. Stretch in both directions. You know, we always have a conversation about them trying to get rid of leggings. Leggings are not going anywhere. In fact, leggings are getting louder and louder. Like, these would be so cute for little leggings with a little white top or something. But anyway, all $12.99 today. And just great fabrics, just great fun. And get pinked. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.